What's up, humans? Here's why your poop is brown. Well, you've done this your entire life and never questioned it. No matter what you eat, pizza, salad, neon candy that probably shouldn't exist, the result is always the same color, brown. Why? Millions of colors exist. Flowers are red, the sky is blue, traffic lights are out here doing a whole RGB setup, and your body just decided, we're going with brown every time.
Okay.
Most people think the color starts with food. Like, you eat green stuff, so maybe it turns brown on the way out. Makes sense, except the story actually starts in your blood. Yeah, your blood is secretly involved in this. Inside your body, you have red blood cells. These guys are basically delivery drivers carrying oxygen everywhere, but they don't live forever. After about 120 days, they reach their expiry date. And by expiring, I mean they get broken down. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inside those red blood cells is something called hemoglobin. When the cells break, hemoglobin gets released and starts going through a chemical transformation. It breaks down into something called heme and then turns into a pigment called bilirubin. And bilirubin is not brown, it's actually yellowish green. This pigment travels to your liver, basically your body's VIP processing center. Your liver takes that bilirubin and sends it into something called bile. Bile is a digestive fluid stored in the gallbladder, and its main job is to break down fats. And bile is greenish yellow. So at this point, if the process just stopped here, your poop would literally be green. But it doesn't stop, because now your food reaches the large intestine. Inside your gut are trillions of bacteria. And I know, bacteria sounds like something you should avoid, but they take that bilirubin and start breaking it down even further. And this is where the magic happens. They convert it into two substances, stercobilin and urobilin. Urobilin leaves your body through urine, which is why your pee is yellow. But stercobilin? That's the one. That's what gives your poop its brown color. So no, it's not random. It's not food color. It's literally a chemical chain reaction starting from dead blood cells, processed by your liver, and finished by bacteria. Sometimes the color changes, and that's your body trying to tell you something. If it turns green, it means food moved too fast, and bacteria didn't get enough time to do their job. If it turns red, it could be something like beetroot, which contains a pigment your body can't fully break down. If it turns white, that's serious. It means bile isn't reaching your gut, and you should get that checked. If it turns black, it could be something you ate, or in some cases, internal bleeding. So yeah, your poop is not just waste. It's basically a report card. And the smell? Yeah, we're not skipping that. That comes mostly from protein. When your body breaks down protein, it creates amino acids. Some of those reach your large intestine, where bacteria break them down further. One of them, tryptophan, turns into a compound called indole. In small amounts, indole actually smells kind of like flowers, but in larger amounts? Then comes scatol, which is basically indole with a little chemical firmware upgrade, and that's where the real signature smell comes from. So yeah, high protein diets, stronger smell. And if you actually made it till here, respect. Go watch my video on weird things your body does to protect you. Trust me, your body has been saving you in ways you don't even notice. Go check it out, and I'll see you there.